All right, this is going to be kind of a bonus episode. So just finished my workout. Like I said, I've been saying we're moving tonight, so uh, it's time to put the old girl down. We're going to take apart the squat rack, and I'm going to show you one of the things I like about this squat rack in particular is it's very easy to move. It doesn't take up a lot of space. So what you're going to see here is it's got these nuts on here. They're about 17 millimeters. So all you need is a crescent wrench and a socket, and you can take this apart pretty quickly. So in order to fold this up and make it easy for storage, you take off this bar for the chin-ups, this support, and this support down here. Sorry, the camera's a little awkward. I can't see what I'm doing. So we're gonna set up the camera, and I'll just show you the tools I'm using while I do this. Or socket wrench and a crescent wrench. We're gonna set the camera up, and we're just gonna take this apart real quick. So each one of these brackets is 3 bolts, so it's very secure, but it comes apart in a pinch. And there goes a nut. That's not cool. Look at this. Nice thing is look, we're getting into metaphors about moment arms again. So what we're doing with the wrench is as we turn on it, you know, we're applying leverage and using moment arms to our advantage. When we have unnecessary moment arms in our lifts, gravity does the exact same thing to us. That's why a straight bar path and efficient movements are essential. Because you are the bolt in this, and gravity is the wrench. And what's gonna happen when I get this last nut off is there is an L bracket here that is going to fall. Don't let this hit you in the face. So we're gonna put all these pieces together so that we don't lose anything else. At least that's how I like to do it. And like I said, this is going into storage, so I'm not gonna see these again for a couple months. So we wanna make this as dummy proof as possible when we're putting it away. So if we can mimic how it was assembled in the first place, it'll go a long way in helping remember how to put this bad boy back together.
My hands are getting tired.
And now the decision I am faced with is, do I want to take this bottom rung off first, just have the whole side disconnected from itself, or do I want to take on the other side, just have it supported by this bottom one, and then I have it all collapse on me at the end, don't I? So I probably should have started at the bottom. But we'll make it through. It'll be okay. Yeah, and then it just comes apart like that. Let's see, will you balance? Cool. Yeah, it's gonna balance. This might get loud, but I think we'll be okay. I think we'll be okay. I forgot a 35-pound dumbbell back here to stabilize everything. So now that this is apart, it's just gonna lay flat, which is pretty cool. Doesn't take up a whole lot of room at all. Real good for fitting in the U-Haul. And yeah, what we're gonna do, we're just gonna leave the arm in there, the J-hook, and transport it like this. We're gonna take off these sidebars real quick though. And we'll just line those up vertically. So, and the nice thing is I can do the rest of this sitting now. But will I? Oh, you bet your sweet ass I will. Maybe not, because now I don't have enough room for my wrench. But what I can do is, I know you can't see it on the camera, I'm gonna take a 20-pound dumbbell, and I'm just gonna prop one end up. Let's move the camera so you can play along. Shall we? So we're just gonna take the rest of the stuff off now. And it's a little easier. Because I'm not holding the bar, or the tools above my head anymore. It's at a better working level. This crescent wrench, I swear, it's a little too adjustable if you catch my drift. It doesn't, keeps getting loose on me, so then the nut just slips. But you know it's well built because it doesn't even want to come apart when you're trying to take it apart. So the odds of it falling apart while you're trusting it with your life, pretty slim, huh? I could use a drill, but it kind of feels like cheating. Where did my washer go? Maybe I lost it. Yeah, that's the problem. Well, not really the problem. It's a feature, not a bug. But what's taking so long is that the frame itself is also threaded. So I have just a lot of real estate to go through. I'm not saying all the latch problems can be solved by just yanking on it, but a lot of them can. Oh, I might have oversold it when I said this was quick and easy. I apologize. Certainly ain't quiet. Oh, my ears are ringing. My tinnitus. Oh, which one's been the bigger struggle? Oh, watching me try to do those cleans or watching me try to take this apart with hand tools? Oh, don't show this to my wife. She thinks I'm competent, and I'd hate to ruin that illusion. This is turning out to be a longer endeavor than I had envisioned. Said it has to get done tonight, so appreciate you coming along for the ride. I'm gonna do a project with Dad Simulator, and we'll just have you hold the flashlight, and then I yell at you for not doing it right. Ugh. My dad wasn't like that, but I know that there's the stereotypical doing a project with Dad that we could probably recreate for a lot of you. It's like that episode of South Park where they're trying to get R. Kelly to come out of the closet. Come on, R. Kelly, come on out. No, you're in the closet. It'd be a lot cooler if I wasn't some big fucking clumsy guy. Alright. One of the problems with holding this socket wrench in the palm of my hand is that on the backswing I keep accidentally flipping the deal from tighten to loosen. So I'll get like halfway through a bolt and then I'll switch it over by accident, and then next thing I know, I'm retightening this bolt. So let me get everything stacked up and you can see the footprint that this takes up now. It's not a whole lot. Alright, so now when I get a storage unit, that is all the room that it's going to take up. So, not a whole lot. Pretty cool, huh? Anyway, thanks for joining me. Let me know if you like stuff like this. I might start a whole new playlist, Max Dad stuff. Anyway, catch you next time. Thank you, and we'll see you later.